Hello students, how are you? Dear students, in last video we discussed the properties and compounds of alkanes, and today we discuss the properties of alkenes and alkynes. So alkanes have general chemical formula is CnH2n and then name suffix use ene. For example, in ethane C2H4, propane C3H8, butene C4H8 and pentene C5H10. And the suffix used ene, and also carbon and carbon are joined to here double bond. And unsaturated hydrocarbon alkane and alkynes the contain double and triple bond. And also the alkynes, the chemical formula is CnH2n minus 2, and we use the suffix YNE. And their properties, some common properties of alkenes and alkynes. Number one, combustion. So unsaturated hydrocarbon burns in air or oxygen to produce a shortly luminous flame and from carbon dioxide means CO2 and water vapor. Suppose ethene C2H4 when react to oxygen, so after that reaction is formed carbon dioxide and water means C2H4 react to 3O2. After that reaction is formed 2CO2 plus 2H2O. Same as usual in ethine C2C2H2, and after that it's react to oxygen, so it's form carbon dioxide and water, and the reaction is 2C2H2 plus 5O2. After that it's form 4CO2 plus 2H2O, and the soot is unburned carbon formed due to incomplete combustion. Number two, addition reaction. Addition means adding. So if any types of substance is add and make in other types of compound, means suppose in adding hydrogen and it's convert to N family, means alkane. Saturated means unsaturated hydrocarbon react to hydrogen, and after that reaction it's formed saturated hydrocarbon. Same as usual in ethine family react to carbon, and after that it's convert first in means alkene family, and after that again add to hydrogen and it's convert to ethane. Like that, in addition reaction is one in which the two reactants add up together to produce a single product. Ethene combines with hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst like nickel or platinum at 250 degrees Celsius means ethene, suppose C2H4 and added to H2 means total carbon value after that reaction is 6. Now new formula is C2S6. So this C2S6 is a example of ethane means ETHANE. So adding the addition of hydrogen is called hydrogenation process. Same as usual in the hydrogenation of ethine take place in two steps, means in this types of hydrocarbon when hydrogen is added to hydrocarbon atom, so this types of reaction unsaturated hydrocarbon convert to saturated hydrocarbon in two steps. So one step ions family convert to ins, and after that in convert to N means H2C2 means C2H2 in the presence of nickel they react to hydrogen, and after that it's convert to means two types of hydrogen atoms are added to C2H2 and it's formed to C2H4 means ethene, and again these types of hydrocarbon in the presence of nickel C2H2 react to hydrogen means H2, and after that reaction is convert to C2 and H6 means ethane. So in this reaction they unsaturated hydrocarbon in two steps convert in saturated hydrocarbon. Ethine convert to ethene and ethene convert to ethane. So the process of hydrocarbon is used commercially to obtain vegetable ghee from vegetable oils, and the vegetable oil like groundnuts oil and cotton seed oil contain double bond and their molecules. That is, they contain unsaturated compounds and they get converted into vegetable ghee by hydrogenation in the presence of nickel at 250 degrees Celsius. And this is called hydrogenation of oils, means vegetable oils and hydrogen. So vegetable oils present in liquid form and hydrogen means H2 in the presence of nickel at 50 degrees Celsius, they convert to vegetable ghee solid. And number third reaction is reaction with alkaline potassium permanganate. So when ethene or ethylene is passed through 1% of alkaline solution of potassium permanganate means KMnO4, the purple color of sodium disappears. Means ethine to dechlorize the above reaction means ethene C2H4 react to water and nascent oxygen also. After that reaction is formed glycol, and ethine means C2H2 react to 4 numbers of nascent oxygen means offspring, they convert to oxalic acid. The chemical formula is C2H2O4. So this reaction used to test unsaturated of organic compound. So this is the physical and chemical properties of common alkene and alkyne. And the next video we discuss some other types of content. Okay, thank you.